very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar and a very warm welcome to the Real Estate Conference 2025, proudly hosted by ASSOCHAM under the powerful theme, Ease of Doing Business, Unlocking Sustainable Growth. We'll begin the conference with the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, so requesting our esteemed dignitaries to kindly proceed for the lamp lighting ceremony. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are all ready to kickstart our upcoming panel discussion. Please join me in welcoming on the stage. And I'll also take this opportunity to invite the key panelists. We have with us Mr. Saurav Suneja, Director, Strategy and Policy, National Investment and Infrastructure Fund Limited. Mr. Lakshmi Pati C, Senior Managing Partner, ASK Property Fund. Mr. Pranay Kumar, Executive Director, Rudra Enterprises Limited. Mr. Abhijit Varma, Head Organization, North Piramal Finance Limited. Mr. Ankur Jain, Chief Financial Officer, Grovy India Limited. A very warm and hearty welcome to all our distinguished and esteemed panelists. And I now hand over the session moderator for further proceedings. Over to you, sir.
Moving on is discussing about unlocking sustainable growth, focusing on the finance and the regulatory environment in real estate. I have a generic question for you. So real estate and infrastructure are both enablers of economic growth and progress. And at NIIF, from your vantage point, what does ease of doing business really mean?
See, a lot of investments that we do in the infrastructure space, there is usually a government counterparty which is enabling that project. If it is a toll road or a seaport, large renewable energy project or a student accommodation, there are things which are at the cusp of real estate and infrastructure.
We are currently about $3.5 trillion GDP, out of which 7-8% is real estate, which is approximately 300 billion. This is poised to touch $1 trillion real estate alone by 2030s.
When we talk about residential, right, so experts will say, okay, listen, there was a pre-COVID era and then there is a post-COVID era where the face of the sector has changed, it's evolving. So how has it changed for you when you're developing projects currently vis-a-vis what you used to do maybe 2019 and before? How has the market evolved for you?
There's a clear distinction between what the spending habits of people was before COVID and post-COVID. It's very evident, India is moving from a saving economy to a spending economy and more of a consumption economy, and that is clearly visible in our projects and the demand that is actually being raised by the clients. Demand for luxury, ultra luxury units, and that's what we are now starting to build, focused on exclusivity. So basically people want the entire unit to themselves. They want the facilities in the unit which are exclusive to them.
We've seen a huge run up on residential prices, and it's been a secular increase. And it's not that, okay, listen, only Delhi's run up. It's, I think, a India-wide price reset, if I could call it. Has it impacted the affordability levels?
The most expensive units, we keep wondering if there'll be a buyer for that, but there is a buyer who comes and buys it. There is no limit to the cap. I'm seeing units being sold for 100, 150, 200 CR. You get them in the news, so there are actually buyers who are buying them.
Now, Abhijit, from your standpoint, right? So, obviously there is finance available, there are projects available to finance, etc. How are you underwriting risk in the current environment?
The markets holistically, and you are looking at what can be the demand, what can be the supply, what kind of players can come in and disrupt the market. So from those perspectives, while we do our risk assessments and underwriting.
With this, we conclude Real Estate Conference 2025. Thank you very much for your participation and support. And please join us for lunch. We wish you a great day ahead. Thank you.